Hello today everyone. We are going to learn about the periscope. So what is a periscope? Well, in the early days, like in the Roman period or when human civilization was developing, people dreamed of seeing two other things like this wall and like that, and like this, and suppose you have a wall here and you have to see this house. You have a stool to climb on it, but your height just can't reach to see that house. So what will you do? Well, even if you raise your feet, you can't see. So the answer to this is periscope. So if we make this guy has a periscope, he can see the house. And so I will also give one example. So imagine you are in a submarine with a periscope.
What is periscope and why?
Okay.
The science behind it.
Okay, the periscope works on the properties of light, like light reflects from opaque objects, and here mirrors are used to reflect. So here first light comes from this object. Well, this is opaque, so let's show our sun so that light comes here, and then it comes in the contact of our first mirror, which is placed here. So after that it takes a 45-degree turn and meets our second mirror, and again takes 45-degree turn and comes to our eyes, so we can see this house. Okay, and so here the early concept was developed by Johannes Hevelius, who named this polmoscope. Here we call it periscope. It's polmoscope. And I will also tell you why the name is periscope, why not something else. So here Johannes he developed a concept of seeing through walls that would be used for military uses. It is also used in industries for seeing nuclear reactions from a safe distance, and also nuclear radiation can cause us cancer. So please watch my cancer video for more info. And here but it was not used in Navy. So he made the early concept, and then Hippolyte Marie, a French submarine maker, used this in 1854. Also, Sir Krupp also used this, and Simon Lake, they used prisms instead of mirrors for a clear image. So the guy which I told about, Krupp, he made this concept during the American Civil Wars. So here, like imagine you are in a submarine, like you are a Navy officer and going to war. Yeah, these are examples. And going for the war, you have to see where the enemy ship is, but without letting know the enemy ship that you are here. So you just only show a little part of a submarine, just the top part where the periscope is, and you can see the enemy ship. So here the enemy ship doesn't notice you, and you can see it. And so here, if there was a hole, you would come up, and then the enemy ship will go. And then World War I, trenches were used, so Grubb's periscope got here. Suppose you are in World War I. Nazi tank is getting across you, you are in a trench. You must not get identified by the Nazis, but you must see the Nazi tank. So there was a funny concept of periscope rifles, which have rifles and with it periscope. And so with the periscope you can also see, and here is a trigger which also pull this trigger, and so you can attack if you want. And here in third one, suppose you are going for a battle in a tank. In tank you are the gunner, so you must see and fire cells on the enemy. But how would you do that without getting seen? Answer to this same periscope. Here, which boxes are you seeing these? These are actually periscopes. With this you can see and make decisions based on that. And you can also see a live example here. Working model here. So here is the bottom mirror and here is the top mirror. Like this, bottom and top. So for example, if I am standing here, I can only see the TV. But if I came up from here, I can see the clock. So here you can see the clock. Just क्यों नहीं आ रहा? Here, so here this. So here the camera is facing towards TV, but with this periscope you might see the clock, but you can see the clock, right? So this is the use of periscope. And periscopes are also used in endoscopy. So here this chapter also has medical parts in it. So here, like you have something blocking your intestines. Yeah, so, and your doctor don't know what's blocking them. So here, this is the doctor and this is the patient. So here a long tube called endoscopy is put in through the rectum of the patient. Well, so just ignore all this. Rectum of the patient, and then the doctor can see what's blocking in the intestine. Or even if something is blocking the esophagus and stomach, doctor can put through your mouth and see. Well, so it also has uses in industry, which I told you.
Thank you.
So thank you, and please like and subscribe my channel.